you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi, and guys, in this video, we're gonna cover 100 most useful verbs of German. If you are a beginner, if you are in B1, like these 100 verbs is must for you to remember. In case you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi, and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes, we do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, pressure classes, interview preparation, whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
100 German useful verbs for everyday life. First comes basic action verbs. The first verb is machen, means to make or to do. Gehen means to go. Kommen means to come. Sehen means to see. Hören means to hear. Sprechen means to speak. Sagen means to say. Fragen means to ask. Antworten to answer. Wissen means to know. This verb is used when you are talking about some fact. Then kennen means to know. Again the verb means to know, but this is used when you know a person or a place. For example, I know this city, so you can use Ich kenne diese Stadt. The next, verstehen means to understand. Denken means to think. Glauben means to believe. Arbeiten means to work. Lernen means to learn. Lesen means to read. Schreiben means to write. Brauchen means to need. And finden means to find. At home and daily life verbs. The first verb is essen, means to eat. Trinken means to drink. Schlafen means to sleep. Stehen means to stand. Sitzen means to sit. Liegen means to lie. Aufstehen means to get up. Duschen means to shower. Baden means to bath. Putzen means to clean. Kochen means to cook. Waschen means to wash. Bugle means to iron. Einkaufen means to shop. Öffnen means to open. Schließen means to close. Benutzen means to use. Anziehen means to put on clothes. Ausziehen means to take off clothes, and vergessen means to forget. Now remember, there are some of the verbs which are reflexive. For example, duschen, baden, putzen, waschen, anziehen and outziehen. These are the reflexive verbs, means you have to use reflexive pronoun if the subject and the object of the sentence are same. Verbs related to travel and transportation. First verb is fahren, means to drive or to ride. Fliegen means to fly. Reisen means to travel. Laufen means to walk or to run. Gehen means to go. Bleiben means to stay. Erreichen means to reach. Verpassen means to miss. This verb is used for missing a train or bus. Then abholen means to pick up. Einsteigen means to get in. Aussteigen means to get out. And umsteigen means to change. That means this is used when we change trains. Here the verb abholen, einsteigen, aussteigen and umsteigen are trennware verb, means the prefix will go at the end of the sentence. Verbs for feelings and emotions. So first verb is lieben, means to love. Mögen means to like, which is a modal verb. Hassen means to hate. Lachen means to laugh. Weinen means to cry. Hoffen means to hope. Sich freuen means to be happy. Sich ärgern means to get annoyed. Sich entspannen means to relax. Sich langweilen means to be bored. Here the last four verbs are reflexive verbs. Verbs for school and learning. The first verb is lernen, means to study or to learn. Lehren means to teach. Studieren means to study. Wiederholen means to repeat. Erklären means to explain. Prüfen means to test. Bestehen means to pass an exam. Durchfallen means to fail an exam. Verbessern means to improve. Präsentieren means to present. So these are the some of the verbs which you can use in topics like school and learning. We can just repeat these ones again. So first verb is lernen, then lehren, studieren, wiederholen, erklären, prüfen, bestehen, durchfallen, verbessern and präsentieren. Verbs used in the topic of communication. So the first verb is telefonieren, means to talk on phone call. Schreiben means to write. Schicken means to send. Bekommen means to receive. Erklären means to explain. Erzählen means to tell or narrate. Beschreiben means to describe. Diskutieren means to discuss. Sich treffen means to meet. Einladen means to invite. Here, the last second verb, which is sich treffen, is a reflexive verb, and the verb einladen is a trennware verb. Useful modal and helping verbs. So the first modal verb is können, means can or to be able to. This verb shows capability. Dürfen means may or to be allowed to. So this verb is used for asking and giving permission. Then müssen means must or to have to. When there is an emergency of doing something, use müssen. Sollen means should. This is used for giving advice. Wollen means to want. This verb shows your strong desire or your strong want. Mögen means to like. Then after this we have verb haben means to have. Sein means to be. Werden, which means will or to become. And lassen means to let or to allow.
Guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned it. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow it. And we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.